The green flag's going to wave, and again, the front row cars struggle to take off there. Bubba Gibson out front, Eversole in second, Hammond in third, and caution's going to come out. Eversole in second, Josh Hammond in third. Green flag's going to wave. Eversole going to be your leader into turn number 3. Hammond and Gibson side by side. And Eversole out front. Bubba Gibson right there with him in second. The DA-14 of Richard Dalton pulled to the infield. As Bubba Gibson again fighting underneath of Eversole for that top position. Blake Gibson sits in third. Hammond in fourth. Willie Butler in fifth spot. Brandon Stevens and Kevin Stamper battle for sixth position. Or seventh, whatever. Right. Eversole slides up the racetrack in turn 4. Bubba Gibson underneath him. Here comes Blake Gibson in the 13 machine. Going to use the 22 machine of Jeff Brown as a pick as they go into turn number 3. Eversole retakes control of the top spot. Here comes the 13 machine of Blake Gibson. The 47 of Bubba dives underneath. 3 wide off of turn number 2 down the backstretch. 3 cars right there together. Darren Keller pulls to the infield in the 9 machine. Going to be halfway this time by. Bubba Gibson going to be the leader. Eversole still right there on the outside of him. Blake Gibson on the bottom. Hammond and Willie Butler right there with him. Top 5 right together here in our DRC Crazy Compact Feature event. Eversole going to slide up the racetrack as he and Gibson trade spots on the racetrack. Gibson now to the high side. Eversole to the middle. Blake Gibson going to take control a second, but here comes the 58 of Dustin Hammond. And Eversole and Blake Gibson make contact. They slide up the racetrack. We stay green. Going to be 5 laps to go this time by. Heavy traffic running 3 wide right in front of your leader. So Bubba Gibson, your leader. Hammond in second. Willie Butler and Ryan Eversole side by side for third as they fight through some heavy traffic. And Jerry Gibson to third out front. Hammond up to second. Eversole and Willie Butler split the LT1 machine of Jeff Allen. And Bubba Gibson out front as they fight through this heavy traffic. The 58 machine of Dustin Hammond staying with him. He's about 3 car lengths behind him now. Battle for third. Eversole and Willie Butler. Jerry Gibson to third out front. He's your leader. 1 lap remaining for Jerry Gibson to third. So crazy racing as we come to the checkered flag. And it's going to be Jerry Gibson the third taking the win. Dustin Hammond second, Eversole in third. Willie Butler in fourth, and Blake Gibson going to come home.